Hello all. So I have provided you the most of the information regarding the NABARD grade A examination in the previous videos and all. But hope you all came to know that the news of the COVID third wave. So it's saying that it will hit our nation within 3 to 4 weeks. That is a month time is there. So I have predicted the dates of various examinations like RB assistant, NABARD grade A, and postponed examinations including SSC, CGL, and all. Keeping in mind that there won't be any further lockdown and the relaxations provided by the government will increase. But if there is a COVID third wave that is going to hit our nation, definitely there will be lockdown and restrictions imposed by the government. So there will be variations in the date I have told you, I have predicted to you. So please keep that in mind. And regarding the some of the examinations, because I am getting a lot of messages regarding the NABARD examination, especially grade A examination. Is it going to happen in the year 2021? So a lot of messages are seen in the comment section in my inboxes and all. So what I have to say is that NABARD grade A 2021, there is a 80% chance that the examination will occur. But if there are any other issues, including the further COVID third wave or any other restrictions or lockdowns are there, don't know whether it will happen this year, but there is 80% chance. And also you can see in the comment section of not only mine, in various other YouTubers comment section also, that they are saying like students are commenting like it won't happen in this year. So if you have that opinion, you must also comment it in this comment section. You have to provide the reason also. But all I have to say is that you must, if you are a serious aspirant who want to work with the any regulatory bodies or any to crack any of the good examination, and especially NABARD grade A examination, you must start your preparation at least from today, even if you are starting from the scratch, because minimum you will be getting 2 to 3 months time. If there is any further no further lockdowns are there, keeping in mind there will be 3 to 4 months, and you must prepare very well for the examination. So start your preparation from today. I know you all can do it, and people who watch my channel, I know what all your levels are. You all are very bright students. I definitely know that. So please don't always keep in mind that I am very bright, so I don't want to work hard. Hard work and smart work. So you can definitely have this success in your hand. You will definitely succeed. I am 100% sure about that. So if you are a new member and would like to know more information related to this examination, you can subscribe to the channel. And also if you like this video, give this video a like. Further updates regarding various examinations and timely advices, everything will be updated in this channel. So that's all. Thank you.